If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the video.
My sister-in-law gave me these. It's like a booklet of like draw your own postcard things, and I'm just gonna use them as probably pieces or something. I'll find some uses for it, but I just used the first one to make this. I like it. It's got some. So I guess it's unintentional symmetry to it, which I really like. I mean, I like the fact that this, because I was like, there's no parts, because I started with the F and the R, and I was like, there's no thing for the O, so I made that go in here, and then it rotates around here for the E, as alright, so it fits in there. It connects these two, and then what's it? Yeah, because every single piece had a connection. Like the M had the two L's, and this part of the R connected with the W, and this part of the F connected with the W as well. Like this part of the R had nothing connected to it, so I decided to put that piece in there. It took up the space, which was pretty awesome. But it also this piece right here, I added this piece to kind of connect these two, because these two are actually like this is one piece, and then all of this is one piece. But this connects the two because it's the face. It's one part of the eye, but they're not touching or whatever. But we have face here, have face here, have wing here, have wing here. So, yeah, I think it's well put together. I think it worked out well. Alright, whatever that is. But, to fill you in on recent developments, the dogs have become outside dogs. Are really on the porch? Ah, man, that's messed up. I have to wash off the porch. I sound like I said Porsche. But the dogs have become outside dogs. Some are taking it well, some are not. Poseidon is actually the only one that's allowed to come inside because he whimpers at the door and won't stop ever. So that's something. But the other dogs are coming to terms with it. Why y'all wet, guys? Oh, hey, no jumping. No jumping, y'all are wet. Hey, calm down. Hey. Oh my goodness, you're so wet. Hey, no, don't jump up on me. Whoa, hey, stop jumping up. Hey, stop it. You're so bad at that, Gizmo. Hey, y'all. Waiting outside, I see you. Whew. Y'all liking being outside dogs now? Oh boy. When I first opened the door, when I first got home, it was like a scene from a scary movie. Shut up! Because when I opened the door, all the dogs were just lined up in front of the door over here. So like, all of them just like, right when I opened the door, just looked up, and I'm just like, ugh! And I closed the back door. I was like, Y'all are so wet. What, you been playing in the rain? What are we doing, Richard?
Pleasing the missus.
Pleasing the missus. Building an official wall. As before, it was an unofficial wall with bookshelves. Kind of like how Mason's room is set up right now, where it's unofficial wall, where it's bookshelf. We, mostly Mandy put a curtain right up here so he has a space, and then like he's got a TV and he's got his couch or whatever, and then I made him a little thing for his hanger. What's up?
Why are you in my room?
I was showing off your room, and then I got me some new headphones, like official headphones. Yeah, it's awesome. They work really well. It's nice watching a movie on my phone and making it sound like it's, in a theater. But I'm gonna have to retire these because the wires, like this one has a wire, but it's actually like wireless. You can do wireless. I haven't charged the battery yet, but this like has the wires, and like one side has gone out unless I like push it in. It's horrible, but it did its run. But now I got a new one, so that's awesome. Hey, like in your room, sir?
It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. What are you playing?
Modern Warfare.
Ooh. Which one?
The remastered edition.
Okay, I was about to say, there's many Modern Warfares. Isn't there like 3 or something?
No,
More than 3?
I think so.
Wow. All right, have fun. I'm glad you like your room.
Okay, thank you.
And your apple juice. Look how much of the wall we got done. Yes. Where? Yeah. Almost done. I'm gonna put a door right there, and then some frame stuff here. Tomorrow it's getting kind of late, but yeah, getting it done. You're good. Gizmo scratched me. Oh, and I'm having an allergic reaction to something. But the dog scraped me. Goodness crap. Can't be scraping this dry, skin. Luckily it doesn't hurt. So that's always good. Other than it looking bad, it doesn't hurt. So that's always good. What the hell are y'all doing? Spencer ain't gonna take no guff from you. Hello. Hi. Okay. Hi. How you doing? Alright. Okay. All right. Okay. That's something. It's a dog thing, huh? Hi. You try and jump up and scrape me again, I will knock your block off, sir. I was able to fit my head in there. Oh, hey. It's stuck on my head now. Wait, hey. Ow.